What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome year. I was amazed when I made a video and when I saw the result at the end of the year, because I always do my audit at the end of the year to see my trade results. Now, you cannot make fortune with signals, and you cannot make money with signals, because signals are just a random guy sending you signals and making money off you just by giving you a random signals, and you don't know what's happening behind the signals. That is why, if you are a member, I send you a trade list with a description that tells you why I'm going to enter this trade and also show you the candlestick pattern that why I'm taking these trades. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you the trade results that we took throughout whole year from January 2023 till December 2023. At the end of this year, all the trades we took, all the trades are sent in the priority group. And if you're a member from day one, from throughout the whole year, then you have already seen these trade that I have sent. An apology in advance if I miss few trades, because I've recently changed my PC last year. Before, if you remember, if you follow me, I used to have a gaming PC, which is just right behind me, right here, which I stopped using, and then I moved to MacBook and transferred all the data. If I missed few trades, please don't get hard on me for that. That sounds a bit weird. But if I missed few trades, please be nice with me. But these are the trades we took throughout whole year. We have some winning streak and losing streaks as well. And a very good example here, when we had a month where we had a losing streak. Now, imagine if you just joined my priority group and you started in that month, you would be cursing me that time, right? That this guy has no idea what he's doing. But that is the mindset I don't want you guys to have, because I always say it is not a signal group. It is a group where you learn and look at the entry pattern I send you and look for the exact same entry patterns in the market. And in the end, look at the larger aspect. Look at the big sample size at the end of the year. Only then you can decide for the results. If you just look at 1 month result, that could be a losing or drawdown month. But if you look at the overall results, in that case, you know what you have made and if your strategy is profitable or not. So I'm going to show you few trades in the start of the video. I'm not going to show you all the trades because there are so many trades we took. And if I show you every single trades with a timestamp, it will make this video way much longer. So I'm going to show you a few trades with the timestamp that I've actually sent these trades on those dates. And I'm going to go through all the trades in my spreadsheet, and we're going to talk about some drawdown time, and we're going to talk about how we came out profitable after those drawdown time, and in the end we came out as a profitable trader. And also forgot to mention that these trade does not include gold and the other commodity, and we had some winning trades on gold, and if I add that, the winning percentage will go way much higher. But I'm only adding forex and natural gas because natural gas is one of my tested commodity, and I've been trading natural gas throughout last 2 years now, and the results are insane. That is why I want to add natural gas in my trading arsenal to keep it as my best performing commodity in 2023 so far. The winning ratio is insane, is 65%, and the total gains we got is 179% gain of our starting balance. That is insane. And also, I want to mention, these trades are just taken 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. If you would have managed those trades, the winning percentage would have gone much higher. But for the beginners, I always stress to go 1-to-1. And once you are profitable, only then start to manage your trades, so that once you have your confidence there, you know that you have a winning streak, and then try to manage your trades, the other trades as well, which I personally took. If I add that, my winning percentage is 79%, around 80%. This year so far was a great trading year for me. And also want to mention that some of the trades I have also sent in my free Telegram channel that is free for public. Anyone can see those trades, and I've also not added those trades. If I add those trades as well, then the percentage will also go higher. So I've excluded that, excluded my trades, excluded gold trades. So with that, we have 65% winning ratio. If I add all that, I'm sure it's going to go up insanely. One more thing I want to mention, when I send these trade alerts, sometimes I'm late in sending the entries because sometimes when I'm taking those trades, I might be busy, I take my trades on the phone. When I sit down, I send those trades to the members, and the motive is not to give you signals. The motive is to show you the entry patterns, how we enter the trades, and with the exact same entry patterns, I send the other trades. And I hope you have learned looking at those entry patterns. And the trades I'm going to show you is just two strategies. One is the pullback strategy, and one is the aggressive entry, double tops, double bottom, or bearish engulfer or bullish engulfers. I personally use the other strategy as well. So let's go on the Excel sheet and let me show you the trade results and how we had a drawdown period, how we came out of that, and how we can control our emotion. I'm going to teach you all that in the next second. Right, so these are the trades I've sent throughout in 2023 in the priority group, and that is excluding the gold trades, and that is also excluding some other commodity trades if I've sent earlier last year. And that is also excluded all the trades I've sent in my Telegram channel. Now I'm going to show you the starting balance, and I'm also going to show you how you can come out as a profitable trader and how much money you could have made if you have started out with this balance or maybe less, and just with 2% risk, how much money you could have made at the end of the year. And these are the real trades I've sent. These are not the trades that I'm showing you after that has happened. These are the trades I've sent to the members before these trades are even happened. And I'm going to show you first trade starting with GBP CHF right here, and the starting balance is right here, and as you can see was $10,000 with 2% of risk only. And the total gains were 17.3k, and the winning percentage is 65% almost. And again, that is excluding my own personal trade that I use for my other strategy, and that my MMTA course students are learning. These are the trades I sent in the priority group and all the trades I mentioned in my YouTube videos. Now starting with GBP CHF, as you can see, we had this trade on 1st of January 2023. Now, if you say, Omar, you just have made up this trade, how can we believe that you have actually taken this trade, or if you have actually sent it to the members? Now I'm going to show you the first trade with exact timestamp when I've sent the Word file to my members right here. I have this folder where I've sent these trade alerts. I have a separate folder for all 2023, and before that, before this trade, we had for 2022. But let's start with here, which is GBP CHF. The first trade I've sent in the priority group. Like I said, I've missed a few trades. Maybe we had few more at the start of January, but let me show you this one. Let me open that file right here. We have this trade alert sent to the members, GBP CHF right here, and let me show you the time and date of this trade exactly as I've shown you on my spreadsheet. If I click here on get info right here, 25th of January 2023, that was created. This file was created on 25th of January 2023 at 23:30 UK time. Right here, if you see GBP CHF, now the reason is the time is 2 AM because this candle closed at 2 AM, and when I sent this trade, it was a couple of hours later, but the trade was still valid. Let me show you that as well. Now, if you ask me, Omar, how can we believe that you have actually sent this file? Now, if I go in my emails right here, if you see 25th of January 2023 at 23:30, I've sent this trade alerts to my members. This is my email inbox, and exactly on that date, I've sent this trade alert to the members. Now, if you look at the email, I've sent this trade alert when the candle was an entry candle here. We had then red candle, then we had another 4-hour green candle. So altogether, I sent this trade alert after 8 to 9 hours, and that is why it was not exactly at 2 AM. So that is why the trade was still valid, and this was the actual trade I've sent to the members. So you have seen now that I've actually sent these trades to my members. Now we have a file here. As you can see, I've go along with the file. It's natural gas. Here you can see the natural gas. Then we have NZD, Fibonacci trigger entry. I have not added that because this is something my MMTA course students are learning. That's why I've skipped that, because this is not something I teach you. That is just for my students to learn. If I teach everything on my YouTube channel, then it will just confuse you. So we had AUD NZD, we have AUD NZD, we have AUD CAD, we have AUD CAD, we have net gas, then we have net gas, then we have Euro NZD, we have Euro NZD, we have Euro USD, we have Euro USD. So all these trade alerts I've sent has been recorded here. I've skipped some of them because, like I said, some of them might have sent to my students as well. Now, if you look at the timestamp here of natural gas get info, that was sent on 27th of January 2023, and we have 27th of January 2023. Now let me take you on the charts. GBP-CHF, the first trade right here, 25th of January 2023. Exact entry I've just shown you. Let me show you the NatGas one as well. Right here, the trade was sent to the members, exactly the same pattern. Right here, that was a winning trade, a short trade sent to the member for the sell entry condition is all right here. All transparent and all in front of you. Right here in my inbox, 27th of Jan 2023, 11:15. And right here, this was a trade alert sent to the members on the exact same date as you can see here on 27th of Jan 2023, the trade was sent to the members. So all these trade was sent to the members, and right here till here, these are trades I have sent to the members, and these are the results as you can see on the screens. Now, a very important thing I want to discuss before I end this video. It is that you need to be very, very disciplined if you want to gain these results. Now, there was a times when we had a winning streak that I call a euphoria, where you think that you are at the top of the world, right? This is the time, one winning trade, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You made money. You started with $10,000 balance, then your balance gone up to 11,200, and you are up 12% gains altogether. And then you had a losing trade, you are fine. Then you had a winning streak, right? Then you have 2 losing trade. So altogether, I call this a winning streak right here, all the way 22 trades, and out of that only 3 were the losing trade. Now, the March was my worst month, which is right here in red. Now, I always say that the priority group is not a signal group. Now, imagine you have joined me here at the end of the month in February, the last month of February, 28th of February. And from here, all the way was losing trades, right? Most of them. In that case, you'll be judging me that this guy has no idea about trading. That's why I don't argue with the people who have no idea about trading. I just leave them guessing. I leave them cursing me because I know what I'm doing. I know if you follow the rules, if you have strong trading psychology, if you follow risk management, that will be the results I've already shown you. So March is normally a very bad month. From last couple of years, I've seen in March, I have some drawdown time. I don't know what's with the March, but in March is usually not a very good month for me. Now here we have 1, 2, 3 losing trade, 1 winner, 4, 5, 6 losing trade, 1 winner, 7, 8 losing trade, 2 winners, then losing trade, 3 winners, then a relief right here. Then we have a streak of losing trade. Now tell me your mental state. You would be angry. You would be doing revenge trading, and you might blow up your account. Now the reason is you are up here at 14k. You started with 10k, you are up here on 14k, you are up 41% of your account balance. Now after this losing streak, you are down again back to 12k. Now the psychology is you will not think that you are still up 20%. You will not think that you are still up for 2k. All you will think that you have lost 2.5k. You want to make it back. You will not think that you're gonna make that money again if you stay consistent. These are just a process in a trading, and these are just a process in a business. And in every business, there are losses, there are gains, there are bad months, there are good months. So it is a bad month, but the professional traders, they stay calm, they still stay under their risk, they don't do revenge trades. They know that if they have tested strategy, it is in time, in a large sample size, they will come out profitable. Now after the losing trades, let's say you have blow up your account here. After that, losing trade, winner, winner, loser, then we have 4 winners. Now we are coming back in the market. Right after a loss, we are back and gaining 30% of the account balance. And then loser, loser here. Now what do we have after that? A streak of winning trade. How much you gain now? 65% up in your account balance. Right? After you are back on 12k, right? You are back on 16k. Your account balance has grown more than what you had before when you had this losing streak. So that is what you call a power of being patient and being disciplined and have a strong trading psychology and follow your risk. Now, after that, we are loser. We are back in 15k. Then we have a streak of winning trade, right? We are up how much? 75% up in the account balance, right? Then we go down, a loser, a losing streak of 3 trades. Now, we are not going to get angry here. Okay, that's a process. We have already seen a streak of losing trade. Now after that, your mind is so trained that these losing streak will not gonna hurt you. That is what you call a mental exercise. That is what you need to master. Even if you want to master on demo trading, please do that. But make sure you are not gonna get carried away by seeing a losing streak. That is what I want you guys to master if you want to see this result. These are the results right in front of you. I've already shown you the proofs that you can make money in the market. Right now, a winning streak right here, 122% up. Losing trades, right? And then a winning streak, and then as you can see the results at the end of the year, right? If you're a member, you have just joined and you know you have seen these trades already. Right here we have a losing streak, and then we came out as 174% gain in our account balance. If you started out with 10k balance, you are in profit at the end of the year of $27,000. This is your profit at the end of the year, and in the UK the average person salary is £26,000. I've used dollar just as a default that you could have made just how? Just by taking few trades. Now I'm going to show you how many trades we took every month. We didn't trade every day right here. January, just 4 trades. February, 19 trades, right? We didn't trade 10 days in January, only 19 days, in February. And then in March, only 19 trades, right? April, only 11 trades. This is what you call discipline. We don't have to be in the market every single day. If there is no setups, you are not taking your trades. Now I'm going to show you the nat gas as well. Natural gas is one of my favorite commodity. Now every single trade, most of them was a winning trade. Right here, a winner, a winning trade, and only, I think so, we only have 1 or 2 losing trades. Right here, a losing trade for nat gas. We have a couple of losing trades for nat gas as well. But if you want to see the result of my nat gas trade, the link is in the description. We have shown you all the trades from January, I guess, till September or October. All the trades I personally took. All the trades I have signaled is before the trade has happened. That's why I've shown you the previous video and then what I've said and what I've said afterwards. So if you want to see that, feel free to check them out if you want to see the detailed result of natural gas only. Now this is just with 2% of risk. That totally depends on your risk appetite. If you would have taken 3% of risk, I will show you the gains. That would be 341% gains. Account balance would have gone up to £34,000 or $34,000. Totally depends on your risk. If you would have taken 2.5% of risk, in that case your account would have gone up to £24,000. If you would have taken 1% of risk, nothing, your account would have gone up to £6,000. So that's totally up to you how much risk you are willing to take, or if you split your risk, that's totally up to you. On an average, my risk was around 2 to 2.5% in last year, and that is just Forex. I've not added my stock investment, I've not added my crypto investment. If I add them, that is totally different portfolio. But this is just talking about a Forex trade results and natural gas. So you see how powerful can be your trading if you follow your rules. And if you say the 10k is very large amount for you, let's say you started with 5k, you still would have made £8,500 at the end of the year, just with 2% of risk. With 3% of risk, that would be $17,000 or pounds risk if you would have followed your rules. Your trading psychology is strong. The way you handle losses, you are strong enough for that. That is how you make money in the financial market, and the proof is right in front of you. I hope you got a value and I hope you have learned something out of that. The reason I wanted to show you all these losing trades as well, so that you see in front of you that this is just a normal in trading. If you want to make trading your career, it's totally fine. You can do that, but be ready to see these losing streaks. And trust me guys, 2022 was not a good year for me. Still profitable, but I didn't make much money as compared to this year. That happens. Not every year is the same year, but if you follow your rules, you will still come out profitable at the end of the year. Now before I end this video, I got lots of messages from traders that they have missed out on a Black Friday offer. Now in my MMTA full course, I teach you all the strategies. The trades you have taken on the spreadsheet was just 2 to 3 strategies. I trade with the other strategies as well. That will increase your ROI, and that will also teach you all the basics: trading psychology, risk management, how to manage your trades, how to mark support and resistance, how to enter, how to calculate stops and target with every single strategy. it has a different amount of stops and target. If you are trading on the zones, that has a different number of stops and target. If you are trading a pullback entry, that is a different number of stops and target. Everything you're going to learn in this premium plan. This is just a one-time investment for you that I'm sure if you learn it properly within a few months, this money feels you like a penny you have spent on your own self. Now I'm going to add 40% discount just for next 48 hours as a New Year gift to you guys. If you have missed out on a Black Friday sale, that was 50%, but now I'm still adding 40% for next 48 hours after the release of this video. The discount code will be valid. If you want to get it, I look forward to welcome you on MMTA. If not, that's still totally cool. Make sure you subscribe, hit a like button so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. So you see how nicely we took those trades with exact conditions, without any guesses. The condition happened in the market and we entered those trades. And also, I want to mention something. These trades are on the basis of only 2 entries I teach you here in my YouTube channel and to my priority members. These are the pullback entries, chart patterns like double top, double bottoms, head and shoulder, or aggressive entries. That is the bearish or bullish engulfer from the area of value. Now, I also personally take the other entries using the other strategies that my course students are learning, where I teach them everything from basics to the intermediate to the advanced level, and with a different type of strategies, with a different type of entries. If you are a course member, if you are a student in the course, then your trading results should be much more higher if you followed all your rules. And if you're still learning, keep learning them. And next year, make sure you come out as a profitable trader and make me proud by becoming a profitable trader, because that is my goal, to teach you the exact strategy which I personally use for my trading and I've been using throughout the year. And if you learn them, and one day after becoming profitable, if you tell someone that you became a profitable trader because Omar was my mentor and because of his mentorship, today I could able to make money, and that will be the proud moment for me. So I wish you guys all the best. Happy New Year again. And I hope you have learned something out of it. And from my YouTube videos as well, I've been giving my analysis every single day, showing you the entry patterns every single day, not just coming on YouTube, just telling you buy or sell. I want you guys to learn from it. And I'm glad that I've got some feedback from my YouTube subscribers that they could able to make money. Without knowledge, you are just gambling, you are not trading. I've already shown you the trade results. These trades are taken with exact system I teach you to my students, with full rules and with the other strategies as well. So if you want to check that out, take a look. If not, that's totally cool. Make sure you hit the like button for me, subscribe, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.